You already know how VRTrust simplifies trust accounting. Today, you'll see how operations accounting, or OPEX, works in VRTrust. Trust accounting tracks owner and guest funds. Operations accounting adds the other half, what your management company actually earns and spends. With VRTrust, you can track both, what each transaction means for trust and what it means for your company financials. VRTrust keeps both sets of books balanced automatically, so you're not reconciling two systems. Operations accounting turns on the moment you connect an operating bank or credit card account. Once connected, you can reconcile it exactly like a trust account using the live bank feed sync or CSV import. Remember, you can only change an account's type before any transactions post. Once it has activity, its designation as a trust or operating account is locked. Now, every transaction gets tagged as trust or operating automatically. Think of it as a lens over the activity you're already recording. This keeps all your financials organized, even when money moves between ledgers. For example, you can pay an owner's expense from your operating account, and VRTrust will automatically post an entry called a due to due from. This tracks money owed from one ledger to the other, so both sides stay balanced. This applies to owner expenses paid from operating, manager costs paid from trust, and any transfers between the two. When moving money between accounts, like from trust to operating, you'll use a bank transfer. You can do this right from the bank feed and reconcile both the money going out and coming in to the same transaction. VRTrust fills in the description for you and takes care of the due to due from entry. When it comes to paying owners, there's an important difference to call out here. A transfer moves money between your accounts, trust, or operating. A payout, on the other hand, is what happens when you pay an owner from a published statement. Reports in VRTrust also show the split between trust and operating. The profit and loss and balance sheet reports have trust and company views. The trust view only shows trust account financials. The company view combines both ledgers for a full business picture. You can also filter by ledger for a side-by-side view. The trial balance and the general ledger reports gain a book filter, so you can focus on just trust or just operating. These options only show up after you've connected an operating account. So that's operations accounting in VRTrust. VRTrust keeps both sets of books in sync automatically, so there's no month-end true-up, no manual transfers, and no exporting to another accounting system. Finally, all your numbers are in one place.